Okay.
Hi guys, I thought we might take you on a studio tour real quick.
So Leanne showed you our Cobra Class 26 in another video, but we have two other machines that we use for fabric. We have a serger, a Juki serger, and also a Consew 206 RB5, which is an upholstery machine. The Consew is definitely capable of sewing some thinner leathers. We do use them for wallets sometimes, but it's primarily for fabric.
And over here is we have this nice big table where Nick has basically pre-cut out all of our pieces for bags that have been ordered so that I can get on making them.
We also have a hydraulic bottle jack press where we use dies and cut out pieces of leather for all the bags over there. Here's a good example of that. Here's all of our dies, or some of our dies, I should say. They're basically like large cookie cutters. What else we got, Ryan?
We've got our hot press, and this is how we stamp and gold foil stamp our logo into our bags. We also have our edge painting machine, which we just purchased. We're still getting used to it, so right now we're just edge painting our straps. We hope to start using it to edge paint our bags as well.
Over here is the land of leather. Yeah, there's more back that way. Then we have our product wall.
Yeah, so I made this wall. It hurt my hands and back a lot to drill all of those holes, but it's pretty awesome. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and it's a great way for us to merchandise and photograph our bags. And Nick likes to call this our pound station, but this is basically where we punch all the holes that go into the bags. And we also have our rivet press over here. Obviously how we attach our rivets, but Nick just recently customized this for me. I'm super short, as he earlier stated, and so he actually made it so that it's become a foot press, which is awesome because it's hands-free now and it gives me way more leverage and torque to put each rivet in. And this very small section over here is where I started playing with making hats. We've got two different hat blocks, a wooden one and this 3D printed one, which we just got, which is Nick's size from Randall Allen. Super excited to use that one next. We've got our Jiffy steamer, which I use to steam the hats when I'm shaping them, and a really great iron.
Got lots of boxes, some already made up, and our light box where we take our product photography. Nah. We also have this is our shipping department.
Yeah, this is very nice.
We bag everything up so it's safe from water, and then we box it up and send it out to you. Super exciting. So where all the video magic happens.
Web design,
all that stuff.
Patterns and dies on the computer.
And last but not least, our giant table area.
And this is where most of the magic happens. This is where I am hand designing all the patterns and pieces for everything. It's me bag I'm hand cutting out, gluing, getting ready to sew, all of that stuff. thanks for visiting our studio.